going to show how to replace the cartridge on this American Standard Faucet 1340 series. And the tool that you're going to need is an Allen wrench, which is a 3 32nd inch Allen wrench, and a adjustable channel lock. So these are the two tools you'll need. So first thing you got to do is remove this handle, the push unit, and so you use that Allen wrench and you put it in the back of this. There's like this hole in there. If there's like a cover, you'll need to take that out first with a knife. So I'm gonna put my Allen wrench in there, and then you'll know that it's inside when you feel some resistance as you turn it counterclockwise. So I'm turning it counterclockwise, 1 rotation, 2 rotation, 3 rotations, and now the top should come out just like that. So next I get my adjustable, and I'm gonna grab onto the chrome part right there like that and turn it counterclockwise, and there you go. This pops out. Make sure that you've turned off the angle stops in the bottom so that the water will not come out. And there it is. And then you just simply get the new cartridge and you put it back in. But before you put it back in, you want to inspect inside and make sure there's no debris. You can put your finger in like this and you can take out this filter. It's a little tricky. You gotta wiggle it around. Maybe a bit. Yeah, I use this finger and it kind of gets stuck. So I'm able to pull it out. And then you can see that it traps all the debris. So now that it's clean, you might need to wash this, but this is not too dirty, so I'm going to put that back in with my pinky, and then get that new cartridge and then put it inside and turn it with your hands, and then tighten it with your channel. Doesn't have to be super tight. And then put that cap back on, or the handle, and then take that Allen wrench and tighten it. 1, 2, and it doesn't have to be super tight, just enough so that it doesn't come out. And there you go.